third, fourth, and fifth place will all take home $100 each. The girl that's the first runner-up will take home $200 in cash, and then our winner, which will go on to Las Vegas, will take home $500 cash. So before we go on any further, until we get to our winner, she'll step right up to the middle of the stage and get some good photographs of her, okay? Our fourth runner-up, taking home $100 in cash, is Elizabeth Kump. Elizabeth. Now before I go any further, our third runner-up is Candy Home. Our second runner-up is Mary Valentine. Now it's going to be very obvious when I announce the winner who the first runner-up is. I'll announce the winner. She'll step to the very front of the stage up here, then we'll announce the first runner-up, then the other four girls will exit. Our winner here at Long Beach, 1991, she'll go...
Turn around!
Better! There you go. Oh, there you go.
Okay, guys, a big round of applause for Dana.
Yeah! We got that quarter! Don't get me in this shot. We'll go do a 3-day development. It's tight in here, Stan. I won't be able to get a straight up shot.
No, you're gonna just take an angle. Take where the bad rat sign is, you know, facing that way. Stand right here and take a picture.
Have him hold it.
No, and right there right beside the bad rat. I'll position.
I'll be over there.
Get one that's real close up, and then get one that's far away. Take a couple, 2, 3 pictures.
Yeah.
And then, hey, Rico, then just get one, just like her spot and twice.
Yeah.
Say something to my bug. Say something to my bug.